Hello there, this is Randall York, and today I'm unpacking a massive triangle job lot which I've got on eBay. First, a lot of unpacking. It's very neatly wrapped, all individual packages. This is the way we like to see it. In addition, it's filled with paper, which is biodegradable. Due to lack of space, I put all the parcels back into the box, take it from there. First, we have a pile of R490 left-hand points, followed by 4 X4 4-point motors, and then a beautiful overhead signal for double track, and a handful of switch controls. And there, the first rolling stock, which is a Triang 114 track cleaning wagon in red. Now we move on to something else. I think it's just exciting to see all this newspaper from 1973, and in there we see a first pull push train composition. It's the R157 and 158 with one of the two carriages being a motorized one, and here's the motor. Two following parcels contain a lot of straight track of different lengths, all in a rather good condition. I just put the track aside because I need more space for the rolling stock. There's an entertaining fact in this newspaper in which the train is wrapped up. As a police officer in 1973, your starting salary would be £1,251 old pounds per year. Let's go back to the train. So here we have the classic R351 shunter. The Loco comes apart easily and the brushes are missing, so clearly this is a non-runner. But there's a little parcel in this parcel, and these are just the motor brushes. So even though the graphic pieces have come off, I may be able to fix this. Next, some isolator tracks and another piece of newspaper information which I probably can't read, otherwise I'll get censored, and some old sport facts, including the fitness of boxing legend Muhammad Ali. Next one is a Triang R357, a BR Class 31 diesel. Let's move on. A little flask of a Triang motor oil, nice to have, and two R493 diamond crossings. A little bit on house price information. You could get a house for about 12,000, protecting a R351 Class L1 locomotive. Then here, just a green track cleaning car. Also this one with cleaning pads. Then a job lot of wires with the old connectors, which is difficult to get hold of, and loads more of tracks, including this R437 bifurcation, and more track. Small pieces which are useful, all System 4 track. Let's move on to the heart piece, which is a Triang 351. It's a Class 77 locomotive with pantographs, and this one, which seems to be pretty dirty, has both pantographs still in place, and these are the original Triang pantographs. This is an amazing locomotive. This Class 77, also referred to as EM2. This was a DC current locomotive, and only 7 of these were produced. If you enjoyed this unwrapping and would like to find out how the locomotive motors perform, please watch the following video. Otherwise, just thanks for watching and have a good day.